Hi everyone and welcome to Titan's PowrLiner installing and adjusting gun and caster cables video. In this video, we'll be showing you how to install and set tension of your gun and caster cables. Please note that while this video shows PowrLiner 3500 and 4955 models, this also applies to our other line striper models as well. This video is not a substitute for reading the manual. Consult the manual for additional details. Let's get started. When depressing the caster lever, if the retracting pin does not pull far enough back to allow the wheel to rotate freely, a caster cable adjustment should be completed. Rotate the retaining nut on either the trigger lever or on the caster pin assembly until desired tension is achieved. Test to ensure that the cable is adjusted so that when the lever is depressed, the pin fully retracts. Once adjusted, if the cable is not able to retract the caster pin, the cable may need to be replaced. There are some differences between adjusting cable tension on single versus dual gun units. For single gun units, the cable can either be adjusted using the nut on the lever or with the square block on the gun rod. To adjust the lever, rotate the retaining nut clockwise to increase tension. To adjust the gun side cable, loosen the bolt and slide the block away from the gun to increase tension. After adjusting the cable tension, check function ensuring there's a minimal amount of slack when the lever is squeezed. If the cable still has too much slack, replace the cable. For dual gun units, test the cable tension to determine if one or both gun cables need to be adjusted. If both cables need to be adjusted, loosen the gun lever hardware on the handlebar and slide the cable holder away from the lever. To adjust the gun side cable, loosen the bolt and slide it away from the gun to increase tension. After adjusting cable tension, check function. There should be a minimal amount of slack when the lever is squeezed. If the cable still has too much slack, replace the cable. When installing a new cable, note the existing routing and remove the zip ties that hold the cable in place. Remove the screws and hardware that hold the cable ends in place. Remove the existing cable. Install a new cable following the previous routing. Reinstall hardware while attaching with new zip ties. Adjust the cable tension as demonstrated earlier in this video. Thanks for watching Titan's PowrLiner installing and adjusting gun and caster cables video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.